Inspire Consultancy is proud to introduce iCOMPETENT, a competency management system that helps business to identity training needs of their workforce. Why iCOMPETENT? Competency assurance across organization entails emailing hundreds of spreadsheets back and forth to manage and track employees' skill matrix. This is a lengthy and error-prone procedure. iCOMPETENT is a standalone cloud-based application that simplifies each step of the competency evaluation process to meet your needs. Benefits of iCOMPETENT: a streamlined way to manage compliance requirements. Define, manage and track skill matrix. Manage competency evidence, credentials lifecycle. Identification of skill gaps. Manage upskilling and reskilling. Features of iCOMPETENT: define skills and build competency models. Automated generation of individual learning plans based on job role. Schedule trainings and attach evidence of competencies. Self and manager evaluation of competencies. Automated notification with customizable reminder options on expiring evidences. Automated update of compliance status for the skills with expired evidence. Actionable insights and comprehensive reporting. Generate skill matrix for a role, team, department, project, or an entire company. Never miss out a potential skill gap and stay compliant.